We're very proud that we are a local Northwestern Ohio law firm. All of our attorneys have grown up in the greater Toledo area. I think it's important to have local attorneys because they've grown up in the area, they know the communities, they know the way the people think, and I think it's important to have a face that you're talking to. I hear from a lot of clients that have used other law firms that they never actually even met their attorney. They may have talked to their attorney on the phone once or twice, but some runner from the law firm came out and met with them. They talked to a legal assistant, and some clients say they've never even seen or talked to an attorney. When you're a client with our law firm, we consider it that you're a client for life. We want to develop a personal relationship between you and our entire legal team. And probably 70% of our cases are either existing clients coming back or referrals from existing clients. The biggest compliment that we can get is a repeat customer or a referral from an old client. We want to be your attorney, and we want a great relationship with you. Another one of our local offices is in Bowling Green, Ohio. I went to school and graduated from Bowling Green State University. So did West Maryland. I actually live in rural Bowling Green. So I'm always happy to take appointments in our Bowling Green office, which is located on Wooster Street, right near Main Street in the downtown area of Bowling Green. It's about 200 yards away from the Wood County Common Police Court that we go to on a regular basis. If you'd like to set up an appointment at the Bowling Green office, I'd be happy to meet with you, and so would all the other attorneys in our office.